Have you ever talked to a writer, like an author or an editor or a journalist? They always say the same thing. They say that the hardest part is not writing, it's rewriting. And unfortunately, it's true. Writers are always going over their sentences, changing things, deleting things, adding things, and constantly revising their initial ideas to be better. So today, we thought we'd talk a little bit about positivity and resilience, two very important mindsets that you want to have if you want to succeed at writing and revising. There are so many things about writing that can feel demoralizing. For example, it's easy to feel dejected when you start writing and things don't sound as good on paper as they do in your mind. Or maybe you might get harsh feedback from professors or friends saying, "Hey, this doesn't make sense." Maybe when you revise, progress just feels so slow and it's easier to procrastinate than write. This is all normal. Writing is an unforgiving type of communication. What I mean is, when you talk to someone, for example, you're allowed to make grammar mistakes or circle back to topics or say, but writing does not allow for that. It forces you to clearly convey your thoughts in order with little mistakes in a properly formatted document. Difficult, right? Writers on the Storm is made up of university writing tutors, including me, so we know how hard it is to create good writing. The thing is though, you don't get to the finish line all at once. It's okay to have an imperfect first draft. So what if it's disorganized? You got your thoughts down and now you can look forward to rearranging things. So what if people point out where you need to fix things? You can take the useful criticism to heart, throw away the unimportant feedback, and keep moving on. That process of resilience and positivity will transform an imperfect first draft into a successful final draft. But what if positivity is difficult, you might be thinking? What if I'm a bad writer and there's nothing to be positive about? Well, positivity is not about being an amazing writer or about deluding yourself that you're an amazing writer. Don't think of it as seeing what's true or false about your paper. Think of positivity as a mode of moving forward and a mode of looking at the potential of things around you. Seeing that potential and nurturing it is what defines a writer. After those dark and confusing first drafts, success can spark out of nowhere. So keep moving forward. Keep dreaming of new possibilities and new ways of going from idea to idea. After all, if you are a writer, the hardest part is rewriting, but the hardest part is also the most rewarding. Thank you for watching, everyone. Keep writing, and we'll see you in the next video.